Hi, welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to see the professor associate and assistant professor vacancies from the multiple departments as well as the multiple colleges. And here a few of the state university affiliated colleges and a few private universities are also there. So you are going to get the wonderful remuneration, UGC or the ACT pay scales. And here the non-teaching vacancies are also there. So please share this video to your friends or colleagues who are looking for such type of opportunities. It will be very much helpful to them. And if your subjects are not covered in this video, then mention your subjects in the comment section of this video. If I got the recruitment notification which is matching up with your profile, then definitely I will come up in the next video. To get my next video as a notification to your mobile phones, you have to subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon. And watch this video until the end to get the complete details regarding all the different colleges recruitment notifications. Online personalized job consultancies by paying only 100 rupees as a registration fee and fill up the Google form and the link I kept in the description box of this video. By this method, whatever the jobs you are looking for, those jobs we will search and the job notifications will be directly sent to your registered mail ID. And one more note is that the candidates who are already registered for this one, you need to check your mail IDs regularly. Why? Because my team is sending the lot of recruitment notifications. Before going into the main content of this video, myself I am Ashwani Kumar, the educator of electronic science and the general paper 1. So the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam in the next cycle, here the new batch course is going to start from October 27th onwards. So it is a paper 1 and electronic science course, guys. The interested candidates may take the subscription plan. So here you may check down. So whatever the subscription plan you want to take, you may use my referral code, that is ASWINIK, to get 10% discount. Coming to the present content of the video, so here we are going to see the recruitment notifications or the advertisements from the 8 different colleges. So the first one we are going to see is the Institute of Advanced Research, the University for Innovation. So here the professor associate and assistant professor vacancies are there for the departments of computer engineering, network engineering, as well as the software engineering, finance and accountancy. And coming to the non-teaching positions, assistant register, technical officer, central instrumentation lab and chemistry, biotechnology or electronics, engineering technician required for mechanical or chemical, laboratory technician is required for the chemistry, administrative officer also required for the data and the records management. Okay, so qualifications and selection procedure for faculty positions are as per the UGC norms. So the interested candidates, you may visit the career section of the official website of this college, and applications must be received by the 19th November 2021. Okay. And coming to the next one is the KL University from the different campuses, Vijayawada and Hyderabad and Vijayawada campus. Okay, so here the applications are invited from dynamic faculty and researchers with good publications for the following positions of professor associate and assistant professor vacancies on or before 10th November 2021. So for this one also you have to enter into the official website and the careers section. Okay, then you will get the online application form you have to fill up this. So in computer science and engineering, electronics and communication engineering, management studies. And coming to the Vijayawada campus, pharmacy, law, communication and soft skills, mathematics, placements, competitive coding. So qualification and experience as per the UGC, ACT, COA, PCA, VCA and ICAR norms. And salary is not a constraint for deserving candidates. So retired faculty also can apply for this one. And persons with good industrial experience can also apply for skilling or the adjunct positions. Right? And coming to the third one is ITHM, that is Aditya Institute of Technology and Management. So it is an autonomous institute. So from this one here we got the recruitment notification regarding the disciplines of CSC or IT and the soft skills and verbal trainer. Okay, so eligible and interested candidates may send their resume along with the qualification, academic and experience certificates through mail to aitamhr@gmail.com within 10 days from the date of this advertisements. And coming to the next one is the Birla Global University. So from this one here we from Bhubaneswar, faculty all levels in management, commerce, law, English, IT, computer science, data science, artificial intelligence, business analytics and economic science. And assistant registrar also required, placement officer as well as academic program officer also required. So if you want to get the more details or else if you want to apply for this one, you have to go into the career section of this university. And then applications are also sent to be mail, okay, to the provided mail, that is career@bgu.ac.in, and hard copies to the registered Birla Global University. So please mention the name of the post in the subject of the email as well as on the envelope of the post. The last date of receipt of application is 22nd November 2021. And coming to the next college is Chinmaya. Okay, CVV invites applications from eligible candidates for the following positions of registered finance officer, professor or associate professor in the departments of commerce, management, computer science, English, mathematics, education, and psychology, and assistant professor required in Malayalam and Hindi. So qualifications and experience as per the UGC norms, and HR manager, internship and placement officer, scholarship officer, admission counselor, digital media executive, and admin associate. Okay, so whoever the interested candidates are there, they have to send their details or the resume to the provide mail ID, that is recruitment@cvv.ac.in. If you want to get the more details, you have to go to the careers blog of this university. Fine. And coming to the next one is Seventh Day Adventist Arts and Science College. So it is affiliated to Gujarat University from Ahmedabad. And here the disciplines required are physics, chemistry, mathematics, statistics, computer science, zoology, microbiology, English, economics, psychology, sociology, Sanskrit, physical education. And here you may check down. For each and every subject, one vacancy is there, and the qualifications are also mentioned here. Okay, so please check down, guys. And interested candidates can send their resume and testimonial through email to the SDA College office at gmail.com on or before 10th November 2021. Applicant must have the first class in the master's degree. Fluency in English is a must. Okay, here the contact number is also given. If you are having any queries, you may contact to that number. Next one is SS Agarwal Institute of Management and Technology. So from this one, for the departments of MCA, okay, the assistant professor vacancy is there. So qualification as per the ACT means only PG is enough. Okay, so the qualifications and pay scales as per the ACT norms, and the application form is available in the official website of this college. So, and attached along with the verified copies of a photo, mark sheet, certificates to send above mentioned address within 7 days from the date of this advertisements. Okay, so you have to send a post to this address, guys. Fine. And coming to the next one is Srinivas University. So from this one here we got the different vacancies regarding the professor, associate, and assistant professor. So departments: robotics, data science, artificial intelligence, machine learning, IoT, virtual reality, cyber security, MBA, MCOM, BCom, BBA, forensic science, cyber security, clinical psychology, perfusion technology, cardiac care technology, okay, and anesthesia, optometry, and artificial intelligence. Okay, so master of social work, journalism and mass communication, psychology, counseling, travel and tourism, service, food production, front office, bakery and housekeeping, and anatomy and pathology, biomechanics, biological sciences, physical science, community health, nutrition and dietetics, social science, right? So PhD in the relevant subject is desirable for all the above positions. I mean, they are not telling that mandatory. If it is there, it is fine. Otherwise, you can apply with your post-graduation qualification itself. So pay scale as per the UGC norms, and interested candidates may send your resume to the register@srinivasuniversity.edu.in. If you want to get the more details, you have to visit the official website. Okay, so total these are the 8 different colleges recruitment notification which are covering the multiple subjects, guys. And to get the more videos like this, subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon. In the same way, if your subjects are not covered here, then mention your subjects in the comment section of this video. So if I got the recruitment notification which is matching with your profile, then definitely I will come up in the next video. Okay, so further, to get my next video as a notification to your mobile phones or the devices, you have to subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon. And the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam from Unacademy side, here one announcement follows. If you are interested, you may continue this video. Otherwise, you may stop this video by here itself. Thank you. To bring you one new batch course for the candidates who are preparing for the next NTA UGC NET exam cycle. So next cycle means as if right now in the month of November and December, NTA UGC NET is conducting the exam for the December 2020 as well as the June 2021 med cycle. Fine. And the next cycle is the December 2021. So Unacademy started the new batch course, guys, for the paper 1 as well as the paper 2. And the highlights of this course are online live classes you will get, and even though if you miss the live class due to your busy schedule, you can watch the recorded videos also, and you can download the class PDFs also, which will be very much helpful for your preparation purpose, or else to write the short notes purpose, or else the revision purpose. And the test series are also you can avail from this new batch course. And while coming to the official website of the Unacademy, so all of you know that Unacademy is India's largest learning platform. So it is not only providing the paid courses guys, it is providing the free online classes also. And you will get the free online classes on the two platforms. One is on Unacademy YouTube channel and one is on Unacademy app itself in the name of special classes. So here what I mean, NTA is conducting the UGC NET examination for a total 81 subjects, right? So out of the 81 subjects, Unacademy is providing the online courses, or else what you call paid courses. Okay, that is nothing but complete coaching for the subjects, okay, that you may explore what are the different subjects Unacademy is providing this UGC NET examination purpose. And coming to the list of the subjects, so general paper 1 teaching is common, that means teaching aptitude, that is paper 1 is common, that you will get in English language as well as the Hindi language. And coming to the remaining paper 2 subjects are commerce, management, computer science and application, political science, history, economics, sociology, labor welfare, and English and education, and geography, law, Hindi, psychology, public administration, electronic science, home science, environmental sciences, philosophy, mass communication and journalism, tourism, administration, management, Sanskrit, Punjabi, okay, and anthropology. So these are the different subjects that Unacademy is providing guys. And while coming to the myself, as I told that I'm providing the subject that is electronic science, so it is my profile. So for both paper 1 as well as the electronic science, I am the Unacademy educator. So the information to the electronic science candidates, I mean, not only to the electronic science candidates, so whatever the subject I shown you right now. So if you want to take the subscription plan where the new batch courses are going to start guys, okay, if you want to take the subscription plan for all this one, then you may click on this get subscription. As I told in the starting itself that you will get the free online class as well as the paid courses also. But under the subscription, you will get the complete in detailed syllabus as per the UGC syllabus guys. And you may take the plus or the iconic subscription. So if you click on the plus, okay, these are the different subscription plans are there. So you may take 1 month or 3 months or 6 months or 12 or 24 months. Okay. And here the price are also mentioned. So for 1 month 3,190 and 3 months 6,875 like this. And whatever the current courses are running, they are maximum up to the 3 months, okay, or else beyond the 3 months. So the suggestible one is the 3 months or the 6 months of subscription plan, or else if you are preparing for the next other cycles, you may take more than 6 months also. And if you go to this one here, it mentions that have a referral code here. So here I am providing one referral code guys, ASWINIK. Okay. So if you click on this referral code and apply, so whatever the plan you are going to take here, for example, if you want to take the 6 months of subscription plan, okay, and if you use my referral code that is ASWINIK, then you will get the 10% discount. Okay, 10% off you will get on any one of the subscription plan. So previously I shown you whatever the subjects that is providing for the providing by the Unacademy. So for any subjects you will get the 10% discount for the referral code that is ASWINIK, and then click on the proceed to pay. Okay, and while coming to the electronic science and the paper 1. Okay, so the new batch course is going to start from November 3rd onwards. Okay, that means the day after yesterday, November 3rd onwards. So all the interested candidates may take the subscription plan guys, can utilize the opportunity.